Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the A-blast explosion over the composite panel. This is the wood concrete or wood cement slab. It is reinforced with internal steel reinforcement and also the BFRP or basalt fiber reinforced plastic here. You can see that it is white, and let's me to click on the form contour shape, cloud contour shape, and let's me replace concrete. This is a stress which happen in the wood cement material, and let's me to click on animate. And also we can request compressive damage. This is the compressive damage based on the concrete damage plasticity criteria. Tensile damage. This is the tensile damage which happened during the explosion, the plastic strain, the stiffness degradation, or the displacement for concrete. And then we can request a stress for the BFRP. See, this is the BFRP layer with 8 layers with different angle for the fiber orientation. Also Hashim damage criteria, and this is pile 1 or the first layer, and this is for instance 8 layer, the fourth layer. This is the another compressive behavior, also for poly 8. Okay, and also the stress. And now let's me to replace the steel bar. This is the steel bar embedded inside the concrete. This is the stress, plastic strain, and displacement. You can see that. This is the displacement. And let me to draw. This is the display. This is the reaction force diagram for the boundary zone, and also we can request displacement here, and this is the displacement, and we have a residual displacement in the composite panel, and it is around 4 centimeters. This is a ductile material, this concrete, because it mixed with wood and it has a good ductility. So if you need to model wood cement material with BFRP and steel reinforcement under the blast load, you can come to our website www.abaqus.com, find the English tutorial or search this title in the search section of the website, and then click on title or below sign. Then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, material, stable traction, load, and the result as figures. Here you can see them. The file contains CAINP in English video file step by step, and also the paper for the material reference. And you can purchase for this tutorial through a PayPal account, a Visa, or a MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.